Did you know that cloves can give you as much benefits as you can get from turmeric, or garlic, or even ginger? While you might already know of spices such as garlic, turmeric, or cayenne pepper, clove is not as common. But interestingly, it's actually the most underrated in the group, as it comes with just as many or even potentially more benefits than any of those other options. Originating from the tropical evergreen area of Indonesia, cloves are flower buds that have been used for centuries, and in many parts of the world, especially in Asia, they're added to spice up soups, stews, meats, sauces, and more. While these options are generally the major use cases for cloves, one way that they can be part of your diet, or one way you can enjoy the benefits, is through clove tea. And trust us when we say this, you'll be very thankful for getting to know about this. In today's video, we'll be taking you through 15 powerful reasons why you need to have clove tea every day. And to also add to that, we'll be showing you just how to make and enjoy your tea. Do stay tuned and enjoy. Number 1, it may help improve oral health. Among the many benefits to gain from drinking clove tea daily is that it can be important in improving oral health. And should you also have a case of bad breath or toothache, cloves can also be very useful. Cloves contain eugenol, which is also called clove oil, and this aromatic oil from cloves helps to typically treat toothache. It's believed to help in providing relief from tooth pain, with this being backed by an Iranian study that states the way analgesic effects of cloves can help to relieve toothache. Number 2, it improves liver health. Several studies have shown that cloves contain a beneficial compound that helps promote liver health. Unsurprisingly, eugenol is also believed to play a role in this, with studies showing that the eugenol found in cloves helps in reversing the signs of liver cirrhosis or scarring of the liver. Since it is also very high in antioxidants, cloves have also been found to help prevent liver disease due to their ability to help decrease oxidative stress. However, taking in small portions is highly recommended because eugenol has a tendency to be toxic when in high amounts. Number 3, it may help to regulate blood sugar. Using cloves by making tea with it may also expose you to the chances of having to keep your blood sugar under control. According to a research that focused on the study of cloves and adding diabetic treatment, it was found that cloves increased the uptake of sugar from the blood into cells, then increasing the section of insulin and improving the function of cells that produce insulin. The proper functioning of insulin is what then becomes essential for maintaining steady blood sugar levels, and with cloves, you can have it in check. Number 4, it can also improve bone health. While eugenol might be identified as one of the most important components of cloves, it also contains a couple of minerals, one of which is manganese. Manganese is naturally involved in the formation of the bone, and it is considered highly important to bone health. Cloves contain a high amount of this mineral, which also has been proven by several studies to be a part of clove that helps to preserve bone mass, increase bone density and strength, while also preventing bone diseases like osteoporosis. Number 5, it can reduce stomach ulcers. According to Healthline, stomach ulcers are painful sores that form a lining in the stomach, duodenum, or esophagus, and this is mostly caused by reductions in the protective lining of the stomach, which might be as a result of factors such as stress, infection, and genetics. Studies have shown that cloves can play a role in increasing the production of gastric mucus, which functions as a barrier and helps prevent erosion of the stomach lining from digestive acids. Another study also showed that cloves could help with treating stomach ulcers, as it showed similar effects to what can be gotten from quite a number of anti-ulcer medications. Number 6, it can also reduce cancer risk. Due to the presence of a wide variety of antioxidants which helps fight inflammation, cloves are also able to protect you from cancer. This benefit is also attributed to the super effect of clove oil, with studies showing that cloves may be able to help stop growth of tumors while also promoting the death of cancerous cells. One type of cancer that cloves have particularly been known to work well for is esophageal cancer, with the study showing that cloves cause the cell death in 80% of esophageal cancer cells. Cervical cancer and breast cancer are 2 other types of cancer that cloves have been found to be useful for. Number 7, it aids digestive health. Apart from just helping to reduce the risk of stomach ulcers, cloves also contain some fiber that helps in aiding digestion and preventing constipation. If you've not already done so, please subscribe to the channel for more helpful nutritional tips like this. Number 8, it can also help with weight loss. To further prove that cloves are nearly for every aspect you probably need it for, they're also known to contain natural fatty acid synthesis inhibitors, which can help to reduce body mass. According to several studies, cloves have been found to lower liquid accumulation in the liver, abdominal adipose tissue weight, as well as the body weight in animals. Cloves have also been found helpful in reducing the incidence of obesity resulting from a high-fat diet. Number 9, it improves skin health. Yeah, right. Clove tea can also be used for skincare too. Cloves are loaded with antiseptic properties which play a key role in dealing with a variety of skin problems. Quite interestingly, it can also be used to heal external wounds just by applying it on the surface, though this is a case that requires you to use the cloves in a different way and not to make tea with it. The presence of clove oil also helps in relieving inflammation in the skin. Number 10. It improves sexual function. Cloves, with thanks to clove oil, has also been found to help improve overall sexual function in men, increasing testosterone levels and improving blood flow as well. It is also said to be quite helpful to boost libido, improve the quality of erections, and also prevent premature ejaculation. Number 11. It reduces fever. Aside from just being rich in eugenol and manganese, cloves are also rich in magnesium as well as vitamin Z and K, which together with the anti-inflammatory nature of the spice helps to fight off bacterial infection. Since it's also antipyretic in nature, cloves are also capable of lowering your blood temperature while also boosting immunity levels. Number 12. It can be used to treat sinus infections. If you've got a congested chest or sinus, or even a cough, drinking clove tea might be all you need to clear the infections and get relieved within a pretty short time. Eugenol again acts as the main party to this, as it makes the clove a powerful expectorant agent that clears up congested phlegm and keeps you free from infection. Number 13. It helps reduce pain. Just as it can help to relieve pain when it comes to your oral health, drinking clove tea can also help with the effective relief of joint pain, muscle pain, as well as swelling and ligament injury. Number 14. It kills intestinal parasites. Clove tea has always been seen as a worthy option for clearing parasites from the body. This is also thanks to the presence of anti-inflammatory compounds in it, which helps to also relieve symptoms like abdominal pain and stomach upset. Number 15. It can prevent food poisoning. According to a study from 2018, clove oil was found to be even more capable of being a substitute food preservative due to its superior antimicrobial activity, safety, and aroma, which gives it an edge over the likes of potassium sorbate and sodium benzoate, as well as other chemical food preservatives. It's also been found to have an antibacterial effect on a number of common gram-negative bacteria found in food, an example being E. coli, which can cause food to be contaminated, hence leading to food spoilage as well. A study from 2009 also found that the clove oil could be really helpful in protecting against food poisoning. Since we already know the benefits, how do you prepare your clover tea? Well, you're to start by grinding 1 teaspoon of clove and then adding the powder into a cup of water and allowing it to boil for 3 to 5 minutes. As it boils, strain out the liquid and allow it to cool before enjoying the loads of benefits you stand to gain. So, will you be buying cloves the next time you go out to the market to get your spices? Let us know in the comment section. If you also enjoyed the video, hit that like button, share with your friends, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you like this video, then you should also check out See What Happens When You Eat Oats Every Day.